We need some answers.
I don't know that, man.
You're wasting my time, buddy.
I know I seen it, but I can't really play.
What is it? I don't have time for this. I don't have time for it.
Man, I don't know.
Look. We don't want you. Just calm down and just tell us what we need to know. Just look at
I'm going to show you the pictures. And I want some answers. Now. I want some answers now.
We know these people.
Who is it? Which
We
one?
know these people. We got video of you with me. We got video
Here.
of you with these
Is it here?
Who is it? Point to
I want
somebody.
you to look.
Anybody. Come on now. Look at it. Tell us. We need to know.
You have a call from an inmate at the Liberty County Jail. This call is from a correctional institution and is subject to monitoring and recording.
For all of my homies, keep your head up. I know you're fed up, even though you're gone away. We pray for all of my homies. Keep your head up. I know you're fed up, even though you're gone away. We pray for
I'm praying for the boys that's on lockdown, especially the Pap Thistle, aka Jason Martin. Go ready to tell for those who snitch and hold your head. Watch it, can shed a tear because it's hurting. I don't feel like I'm soft, real cry, that's for certain. I sit back and roll up from sundown to sun up. Yeah, cockless up. But I bet you won't run up. It's major, who major, military major, Boston George, record spotless. We riding, if he got warrants, I got him. Without a doubt in my mind sided like iron, and my eye beside it all time. And if I'm lying, then I'm lying, but I'm here rhyming with style, and it's time to retire. The G&R Fest that announced duck is a mouse on Hoover. Affiliated, I bring it to you, but I'm used to throwing that boot up, so boot up, then I shoot you. The new one, the newest, whipping, flipping, shipping them new ones. A cool one, I'm calm. We laying you a
for all of my homies, keep your head up. I know you're fed up, even though you're gone away. We pray for all of my homies.
P-A-double-P dash the D, your boy. D-U-B, I swear to G-O-D. It's gonna be hard for a snitch, a duck, quack, that struck more than a nerve. You gon' get everything you deserve, from the cradle to the dirt. 360 degrees, Lord, reciting scriptures, praying that they acquit you. The victor still is I, cuz, so your head high. For real, these streets no longer streets. Us bumping like parakeets, apparently. They carrying, they tearing apart families. My Lamar Raymond, Huff, and Shane T. The same fell victim to the game. Got a glitch, these the snitch, they will get them time cuts. They cell phone wide up, my eyes all cried up. Now I'm plotting like Al Qaeda. Friday the 13th, strap headed for the wire. With priors and pliers to pry open the fence and cut the wires. I'm wide open straps until they free my
homies. Keep your head up, I know you're fed up, even though you're gone away. We pray for all of my homies. Keep your head up, I know you're fed up, even though you're gone away. We pray for all of my homies.
It's wrong, my nigga is gone, and can't no one explain it. The free Pap D movement, Richie is a queen to try to keep Austin from wilding out, moving with the stainless. Or D.U.B. from trying to beat a faggot. Brainless ghetto holding on, but nobody know what to do. First night back in town, my heart broken into walking. See Sam, Shano, but not you, that gon' pay. We'll talk about that on another day. Till they know your brother prays to assume yep a shade. This is loyalty, always got a boy in me, and hey, we gon' with the white folks call, find a better way. Loose lips get fed, dog, my Beretta spray. Soon as you hit the bricks, Cancun, get away. Me and Pistol Peak gon' tie the bag on that other thing. Till then, Richie Dot reporting, and it's not a thing. Salute, first major Pap, everybody
sing. Keep your head up, I know you're fed up, even though you're gone away. We pray